Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you 7 creative photo styles you can try using ChatGPT and AI art tools. Whether you want to make your portraits look futuristic, artistic or just super fun, these styles will totally level up your content. I have picked 7 styles from anime to magazine covers and I'll give you a quick breakdown of each one. Don't worry, all the prompts I used are in the video description, so you can try them yourself and make your own AI masterpieces. So let's jump in. First up is bright anime portrait. This style gives you a character a vibrant, colorful anime look with big expressive eyes and dynamic lighting. Perfect for social media avatars, profile pictures, or just adding some personality to your artwork. When using this style, focus on bright tones, playful expressions, and exaggerated features. It really brings your portrait to life. Next is stylized 3D character. Think of a character from Pixar or your favorite animated games. This style creates 3D polished look with realistic textures and depth, making your AI portrait feel like it could jump off the screen. It's great for game art, digital storytelling, or just experimenting with fun dynamic characters. Third is loose watercolor portrait. This one gives your images a soft artistic vibe, like a painting done with flowing brushstrokes and delicate color washes. It's perfect for creators who want a more artistic or dreamy aesthetic. Think of it as turning your digital portrait into a piece of gallery. Fourth is Moody Cyberpunk look. If you love neon lights, futuristic cityscapes, and edgy vibes, this style is for you. It adds high contrast lighting, vibrant neon colors, and a slightly dystopian feel to your portraits. This is perfect for tech, sci-fi, or gaming contents anywhere you want a cool atmospheric edge. Number 5 is classic film noir portrait. This style gives your portrait a vintage black and white cinematic look with the dramatic shadows and high contrasts and intense moods. It's perfect for storytelling, mystery vibe, or just a timeless, classy aesthetic that feels straight out of a 1940s movie. Sixth is the Glossy magazine cover. Want your portraits to look like it belongs to the cover of a Vogue or GQ? This style adds perfect lighting, glamorous finishing, and editorial flair, making your image polished and professional. This is great for personal branding, social media posts, or even fun mock magazines cover for your friends. And finally, modern comic book cover. This style transforms your portrait into a bold, illustrated comic cover with a dramatic shading, action poses, and dynamic colors. It's perfect for superhero themes, fan arts, or just adding a fun, energetic twist to your creative projects. And there you have it, 7 creative photo styles to try using ChatGPT and AI art tools. Each one brings a unique vibe to your portraits, and the best part is that you can experiment with as many prompts as you want. All the prompts I use are in the description, so you can copy them, tweak them, and make your own AI masterpieces. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss more AI tips and creative tutorials. Which of these 7 styles are you most excited to try? Drop your favorite in the comments, and I would love to see you in my next video.